The Delta HCU is an expansion of our modular system range that brings our split coupled end suction pump into the mix. This is a great solution for engineers, for contractors, and for owners. It's easy to specify, easy to install, and probably our controller is about one of the easiest controllers to integrate in the industry. And this is going to streamline projects. It's going to allow equipment to run much more efficiently. And we've got a lot of energy with our partners around getting this out into the market.
It truly adds value to their customer. It's something that's unique. It's something that's differentiated, whether it's an engineer, a contractor, or an end user. It's a really exciting product overall. That's one of the advantages of them being a partner with Grundfos. With the amount of investment that we place in R&D, we have a significant amount of product launches that are in the pipeline, and they get to roll out new technology to their customers on a regular basis.
Yeah, and we really like how the Delta HCU really is a platform, and so it could be the centerpiece for our projects, multiple iterations under the one umbrella of that name, and there's no more confusion about whether or not this is a booster or specifically designed for heating and cooling, and that message comes across clear now.
The Delta HCU allows us to use the NBS, the NBSE, the CR, and the CRE pumps in configuration that make our package a premium choice for all contractors, end users, and design engineers.
In the US, our primary way of going to market is through our reps, and they are our eyes and ears, their family. Getting the temperature of how our reps are feeling is really, really important for me.
One of the things that makes Grundfos special is really just being that resource for our partners and really for their customers. You know, we want to make sure when we roll a product out, they know they can turn to us for any of the digital tools or brochures or really anything they're going to need to be able to go out and do their job with this product.
It's been really helpful working with our Archimedes business group, our ABG. They're able to provide us input about what we're doing with this launch and other products, how designs look. So it's been really great to have them involved on this journey and to see them attend this launch.
We've also built up our training capabilities here at our headquarters in Brookshire, Texas. So tons of interactive displays, not only at the pump level, but also the system level, and then including distributed pumping, which is sort of an advanced application, a way to improve a chill water system design with our small smart pumps, as well as our Delta HCU primary pumps.
This building, this new headquarter building, being the first ever LEED Platinum version 4 building in the state of Texas, is just a great showpiece for us. And we as a commercial building segment have a real advantage because this is a commercial building. So it gives us a chance to bring in our partners, but then also for them to bring their customers here and actually see the new technology and all of the technology that we offer in practice. They get to feel the actual comfort from the system.
I can't thank our partners enough for taking time out of their busy schedules, particularly this close to the holidays, to come here to Texas and learn about the Delta HCU, to see all the improvements and the modifications we've made to our building and training facility. It's so important to us because without our partners, we will not be able to get the word out and have the success that we want to have in 2024 and beyond.